Hi, let's talk about piecewise functions. A piecewise function is defined using a different equation for different parts of the domain. So here's an example. F of x is x squared when x is less than or equal to 2, and f of x is 1 when x is greater than 2. Now, I've got this graphed in Desmos, and this is actually a screenshot I took earlier. But if you look at it, it shows here's the parabola, then here's the part y equals 1. But Desmos leaves out one sort of important thing here. Over here I've got the function written in. This is the notation you would use to put it in there if you wanted to graph one on Desmos. I'm not going to ask you to do that. But the question is, what happens right here when x is equal to 2? According to this, when x is equal to 2, the function should be the parabola. So technically, this should show that this point is included on the parabola and not included down here. So what I want to do is just do a few examples of this. We're not really going to do any graphing. The important stuff is when you're evaluating a piecewise function, just grab the right piece to use. So let's do a couple of quick examples. Let's evaluate this function at 0, 8, and 2. Now notice, this function, we use this top part when x is less than 2. We use this one for when x is greater than or equal to 2. So f of 0 is going to use this guy, and f of 8 and f of 2 are both going to use that one. Alright, so f of 0 is 2, let's see, it's using this one, 2 times 0 plus 1, so that's 1. F of 2 is going to be 5 minus 2, which is 3. And f of 8 is going to be 5 minus 8, which is negative 3. And we can do the same sort of thing here with a function that's defined for several different pieces. On this one, if we wanted to find f of 3 and f of 4, we just have to come down here and see where do these fit in. Well, f of 3 and f of 4, actually both of those fall into this third case. So f of 3 is going to be 8 minus 2 times 3. And f of 4 is going to be 8 minus 2 times 4, which is 0. And that's pretty much all we need to do with piecewise functions.